I started at Sussex, 17 years ago now actually. At Sussex we are manufacturers of tapware, bathroom and shower accessories. We are a true Australian manufacturer and we've stayed vertically integrated across our 3 local sites in Melbourne, where we do all of our manufacturing. We never compromise on quality, that's always at the forefront of our mind. And it goes into everything that we engineer, all our products. I think the future for Victorian manufacturing is really exciting at the moment. There's a real resurgence in the industry and seeing the small manufacturers really rise up, and customers want to know where their product's from. And we can see that in the marketplace it's changing, and it's an exciting time to be a local manufacturer at the moment.